Okay guys, we're back in the shop and today I want to show you the finished mini bike. I've actually done a lot of stuff to this, like since the last video, but basically I built this whole frame part here, and just recently I built this little like bar across because like it could just break down there. I just got this seat on here. It's a piece of wood with like foam and like padding on the inside, and it's stapled. This is a really nice seat. And then I have this little fender thing, and it's obviously blocked some dirt. Then I got the throttle here, right here. This throttle is connected right down in there. You can see it move back and forth. Oh, also one thing that's funny about this engine is this is not a 3 horsepower motor. It's actually a 2.5 horsepower. And back there, see that little like red cover? It used to be on this here, but it didn't have a pull start. The pull start thing like broke, so I had to just put that on there to have a pull start. But yeah, so this thing is like really fun. Like I took it out to my cousin's farm, and it's like super fun. It's like it goes a decent speed. It's not like a ripper. It doesn't go like super fast and stuff, but it is a really super fun mini bike. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and test ride this thing. Okay, it's all made out of junk, including the engine. Okay, here we go.